morning. It's day 5 of my Amsterdam trip and I'm on the way home. There's 3 things that I'm looking forward to this morning. An apple in the morning, 7:30, cheese bun, 8:30, 9:30, ham bun, 10:30 to 11, first 100k done. So for those of you perhaps just jumping in at this video and haven't watched the previous few days, I've been in the Netherlands attending the Fitzelsden Hocht in Boswaard in Friesland, which is a 235km ride around 11 cities of Friesland. For those of you who might perhaps not have heard of that ride before, it's been going for, well, since 1912. And well, I'm leaving now, it's my final day. I'm then heading back to Lincolnshire, or East Yorkshire to be exact, coming off the ferry in Hull. But first I have got to get back to Rotterdam to take the ferry. So I've got a 252km ride back from north to south. The weather right now is fine, as you can see. It's cool. And a lot of the route back, initially, for the first 800k, I'm hugging the lots of water, so the temperatures will be keeping cool, and thus I'll be keeping cool as well. I need to keep focused on the speed that I'm doing for the next few hours. I want to try and stay, well, for the entirety really of the ride, I need to stay at and above 25km an hour, as I have to get to the ferry at Rotterdam absolute latest 7:30 this evening. So in total I've got about 13 hours of elapsed time to reach there. So I'm a bit further up the road now, and for the last half an hour I've been on a completely straight road, no turns or anything. On my right there's a huge lake. Perhaps somebody will let me know in the commentary what lake that is. And along the entire bank it's literally thousands of wind turbines. See if I get a glimpse through the trees there. There you go, here's a good picture. Just heading in the direction of Urk. But as you can see, if I can turn the camera to my left, look at the sky. It said it's going to be a little bit of rain today. Fingers crossed they've got it wrong. But what a glorious summer's day this is. Sleeves are off, look. Just on the outskirts of Urk, and I've had a bit of mechanical. The outs mount on the elements come loose, so I've had to go tie wrap on its ass to try and secure it into position. The screw just won't seem to turn into position anymore, so it just won't lock on. Just going to grab a cheese sandwich I'm going to go for, and my juice, and just eat it on the move, because I've just wasted about 10-15 minutes here. Well, would you look at that? Heading towards the Kettelberg. Sheep there and a lamb enjoying the sunshine. I just passed loads of sheep at a cattle grid. They did not want to move. I tried everything, tried to ask him to move, tried to ring my bell, didn't hear that. I don't think they understand English. Just look at this. Absolutely stunning scenery. Just check out this space I've got all to myself. Tailwind as well. I'm currently going at 43km an hour. Been cycling along in space just like this for the last 3 to 5k. Look at it. Incidentally, if you do want to perhaps follow this route yourself, just have a look in the description area below this video. I use the mobile phone app, well, Strava's mobile phone app, to create the routes. Brand new feature. And all I literally did was use the pencil tool to draw a little line outside the hotel. Again, another little line to the connecting road. Then I thought, right, where do I want to go? Zoomed out to Utrecht, had a look around a few points of interest, saw the cathedral, grabbed the pencil tool, drew a bit of a line on a road which went past it, then zoomed out, didn't know where to go, so moved all the way down to Rotterdam. The same again, just a quick line on a road which looks quite interesting through a park area, and then one final time at Europort. So technology, it's amazing, and it's proven to be very, very useful over here, very effective. So once again, if you want to check this route out, have a look at it in the video description area. Nice park area, see people walking around. Especially for Giles Green. I feel like I'm doing the Tour of Flanders at the moment. Not terribly even either. What the hell is that? It looks like a giant pea flute. Cactus leaf. I'm going to take this time to have that ham sandwich which has been in my back pocket since 6 o'clock this morning. I don't know if you can appreciate this video, but you see the line of trees as far into the distance as you can possibly see. It must be thousands of trees, and if I turn the camera around, it's face the opposite way, again just thousands of trees. I wonder if these trees have been purposely planted just for cyclists, depending on the prevailing wind. This is going to give you some protection against the elements. Turn the camera around. Check this out. Look at that line of trees. 2 lines of trees. What a beautiful country. Just looking down at my Wahoo Element, looking at the compass. I'm currently running in sort of a southerly direction, and these trees are giving a massive protection against the element. Corridor of back wind. Just want to take the camera quickly off the handlebar mount just to take a look at that, just so you can fully appreciate. Just found out what this place is. It's the Grand Staircase. Natural banks, cycle-friendly paths. Opens summer 2019. I can see the store developing it over there, but that's what this place is. It's unreal. They've probably spent millions developing this area and continuing to do so. Just building more and more cycle paths off to the side. Upcoming area by the looks of it. Lots of people wanting to live here. Snow jelly, my new favourite cake. I wonder if they do that at Wold Newton Village Hall. Nah. Here we go, sign for Utrecht, 30k. So currently going up my longest uphill section of road. Hello. It's starting to rain though, so I'm gonna have to put the sleeves on in the next minute or two. Well folks, I've reached, I've got 108k to go, and I'm in Barn, B-A-A-R-N, and there's maybe here, I tell from the lens, it's just started raining, and it looks like there's at least an hour and a half worth of rain, maybe 2, so I can't avoid this. I'm going to have to continue on in the rain, I think. So I've soldier on, soldier on. Well, this is all rather depressing. Got 6 hours to get the last checkout time to take the ferry back home to Hull, and it's probably going to take 4 hours worth of riding, so got 2 hours leeway, so I'm hoping the rain stops soon. I need to keep checking the forecast really to see what the radar shows. So this winter jacket I've got is really only suitable for sort of a quick summer shower, not a monsoon. Stop in the middle of the woods. Right, the water was getting higher. Okay, maybe exaggerated a bit. The water was starting to creep towards the tree I was hiding under. I had to run about 200 yards with the bike. Absolutely everywhere. Welcome to Utrecht. Just on my way into Rotterdam now. Not long to go. And not much time to go either. Cutting a bit close. Quite sure if I've got to get a ferry from Massus to Rosenberg. That's the only thing I'm worried about really, what time it's going to be there for. But I'll put it down on my places to visit on Strava. Maybe the last windmill I see in the Netherlands for a while. Well folks, as you can see by my surroundings, I did in fact make it to the ferry on time. It was, the last check-in was 7:30. I made it here at 7:22. However, having said that, there were still people arriving behind me who was obviously even later than I was, but I was really panicking. I wasn't going to let me on board the ship. With so little time to spare. Wow, I was bombing it as much as I could. I'd love to have stopped along the way a bit more and got some more footage, but one, didn't have enough time. Two, the weather was really against me at times. Got loads of footage in the first half, but I wanted to see a bit more of Utrecht. Hopefully I captured enough to make it interesting for you. Certainly got a little bit more through Rotterdam. Once I've worked my magic, hopefully I've got something which you can enjoy. So, and I can look back on as well fondly. So, but having said all that, I can see myself coming back to the Netherlands. It was an amazing experience, and yeah, definitely worth coming back to again, because it's just so nice being on the roads, and the fact that cars give away to cyclists is massive. That makes a massive difference to your safety and how you know your experience here. So anyway, if you've got any comments, questions, if you'd like to put them below this video, I'll go answering some of those. So hope you enjoy the rest of the week, what's left of it, and take care. I'll see you later. Bye bye.